Just look at this potato and pea curry. So simple, yet so incredibly delicious. The potatoes are soft and perfectly cooked, soaking up all those rich, aromatic spices, while the peas add a little sweetness and bite. Let's start with the preparation. First, peel the potatoes and cut them into neat, even dice. Wash the tomatoes and cut them into small dice as well, ready to add freshness and a rich, tangy flavor to the curry. Peel the garlic and mince it finely. Peel the onion and cut it into small dice. Pick the spinach leaves and set them aside, fresh and ready to be added at the end. Now let's start cooking. Heat the oil in a pan. Add the onion and garlic and fry for 5 minutes until they're soft, fragrant, and lightly golden. Add the curry powder, turmeric, and garam masala, then fry for 1 minute until the spices are fragrant and well combined. Pour in the chopped tomatoes and tomato paste, then stir well, gently pressing down the tomatoes. Add the potatoes, salt, black pepper, and coconut milk, then stir everything together until well combined. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then place the lid on the pan and reduce the heat. Let it simmer slowly for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking, and check the potatoes as they cook, making sure they're soft, tender, and perfectly done. Stir in the peas and spinach, then continue cooking for about 5 minutes until the peas are tender and the spinach has gently wilted into the curry. The aroma alone makes you hungry, and once you taste it, you can't stop. Remove the pan from the heat and transfer the curry to a serving dish. Garnish with fresh parsley, then serve hot with steamed rice or naan bread. This potato and pea curry is unbelievably delicious, rich, comforting, and full of warm spices. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your potato and pea curry and happy cooking.